Hi.
Hai.
Hai.
Good evening.
Evening tuh.
Are you ready?
Good.
Tonight we are going to read the storybook.
Oh, cuma berdua Bu Emis.
No problem. No problem. Do you have a favorite story from the book?
No.
I have.
Apa bisa keluar nggak?
Do you have favorite story, Quinza?
No, I not have favorite story. I have favorite story is Doraemon.
Oh, so tell us about Doraemon.
Hah? I bacain.
Read.
I bacain.
No, just tell us what you like about it and how is the story?
Doraemon is cute and big and big yang and yang fat is cute. I like yang fat. Yang fat.
Giant.
Yeah, giant. He gendut. He fat. Karena he fat.
He is fat. What about Kara? Do you have favorite story from the book? Oh yeah? Tell us. Tell us about it.
Apa ya? Gimana ya ngomongnya?
Huh? Come on, you can tell us about it. What do you like? What the story? What the
Bahasa
title?
Inggris.
Yes.
Set.
Hi, Alia. We are going to read the story from the book. Okay. Let's open page. So what is your favorite story? Kara, what is your favorite story from the book?
Apa itu judulnya?
Yes.
Any.
Anyone? Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Apaan sih?
Siapa?
Your favorite story.
Apa?
Ayah, ini arah. Ya kemana?
Yes. Yes, Alia. Yes, Alia. No, okay. So, Kara, tell us about your favorite story.
My favorite story is Ayah Ini arahnya kemana?
Is it from the book or from another book? Okay. Okay, now open page 62. Page 62. Okay. Quinza. Read it, please.
Milo.
Yes.
Milo and the missing color. Milo the mouse loved to paint. His tiny house
Tiny.
house was filled with jars
Field.
of bright red, sunny yellow, sky blue, and leaf green. But one morning when he woke up to paint the sunrise, all the colors were gone. Oh no, cried Milo. Simon, to my color. He followed little footprints out the door and into the wood.
Woods.
Woods. First, he found Frog sitting beside a pond. Have you seen my color? Milo asked. Frog pointed. I saw something tiny hopping that way. Next, the found squirrel in the tree. I saw a rainbow train flying into the sky. Squirrel speaked. Finally, Miller reached the meadow and gasped. But a group of tiny birds were painting the flower with his color. They dipped their breath into the jars into jar and fluttered around, turning the file into a rainbow. Oh, said Milo, there you are. You are painting with my color. The birds chirping happily. We wanted to make the meadow beautiful.
Yes, continue. Continue, please.
Huh?
Continue, please.
Continue what? Continue what?
Continue to page 63.
Milo smiled. Let's paint together. From that day on, Milo shared his color and the forest bloomed with joy. The end.
Okay, the end. Let's answer. Oh, no. Let's find difficult word. Jars. What jars means? What does jars means?
Where
His tiny house was filled with jars of bright red, sunny yellow, sky blue, and leafy green. Jars.
Jar.
Jars. What does it mean? Yes. What does it mean? Search in the dictionary.
Miss,
Yes?
am I good drink?
Yes. Yes. Come on, Quinza.
Oh,
Search. What does jars means?
ring hat, sunny yellow, sky
No.
blue,
What does it means? Jars.
jar,
Jars. Yes.
jar,
Yes. Look in the dictionary. Jars.
jars.
Where is your dictionary?
Ini.
Dictionary. Where is your dictionary?
Ini jars.
Open the dictionary. Search in the dictionary. Search the word in the dictionary.
Milo.
Search the word in dictionary.
Oh. Apa ya? Pakai HP aku sendiri nih.
Can Kara help? Jars. Jars. Well, you have to search in the dictionary too. Okay, where's your dictionary?
Terus cari GGGG.
Yes.
Aduh, malah pencet-pencet.
Kenzie,
Aduh.
baby, can you help? Jars.
Cuma
Jars.
tulis. J-A-R-S. Jars.
J-A-R-S. Yes?
Toples.
Yes?
Toples.
Yes?
Toples.
Yeah. Good. Remember to search in the dictionary all the words that you don't understand, okay? Okay, Quinza? Okay. What else? Woods. 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 What does it mean? Quinza?
Yes.
Woods.
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 Yes.
Woods.
He followed little footprints out the door and into the woods.
Sorry, all the carbon eating rocks and trees that way and repeat cover painting for the
Yes.
where I don't see wood.
He followed little footprints out the door and into the woods.
Oh, I see.
Okay, what does it mean?
Artiin
Yes.
Wood.
Anyone Anyone would like to help Quinza here?
Hutan.
Okay, good. Okay, then. Meadow. 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 Quinza, meadow. Finally, Milo reached the meadow.
Finally. Oh, artiin juga kan?
Yes, what's the meaning of meadow? What about Alia?
Aduh.
Meadow. What does it mean, meadow?
Yes.
Meadow.
Padang rumput.
Yes, good. Gasp. Gasp.
What?
Huh?
Gasp. Finally, Milo reached the meadow and gasp.
Terkesiap.
Yes?
Terkesiap.
Good. Okay, then let's answer the question. Winza, read the question.
What does Milo the most love to do?
Okay. Answer it.
Paint.
Okay, good. Second question.
What was the problem Milo faced one morning? What morning? Istini apa sih? Milo love paint Istini house with chart. Oh,
Yes.
mana ya?
But one morning, when he woke up to paint the sunrise,
Sunrise, all the color were gone.
yes. So that's the problem. The colors were gone. That is the problem. What clue did Frog give Milo? What clue did Frog give Milo?
Frog give Milo. Benar, which is Milo. Ini is
Frog pointed. That's the clue. I
Milo. Wait. I saw
something.
something shiny happy the way.
That's the clue. Who was using Milo's colors?
Milo color bright red, sunny yellow, sky blue, leaf
Who
green.
was using Milo's colors?
Warna
Yes.
bright red, sunny yellow, sky blue,
Who?
and leaf.
Who was using? So Milo's colors were gone. Someone took it.
A crowd in a first painting.
Who was using Milo's colors?
Ini bird.
Yes, a group of tiny birds. What were the birds doing with the paints?
What was the bird doing with paint? Painting flower.
They
Flower.
dipped their beaks into the jars and fluttered around, turning the field into a rainbow.
Rainbow.
There's no flower here.
Oh,
There's no flower here. Number 7. How did Milo feel at the end of the story?
How did you feel and story? Milo smile.
Yes.
Smile ya?
Yes.
Smile.
Yes. So when somebody smile, what do you think?
Huh?
He smiled. So how did
Yes.
Milo feel at the end of the story? So when somebody smile, that means he is
Let's spend together from that day.
no. Winza. How did
Yes.
the question is how did Milo feel at the end of the story?
Smile
He smiled. So when somebody smile, that means he is
and the
sad
forest
or happy or sad.
happy.
Yes, that's the that's the answer. How did Milo feel? He feel happy. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Page 67. Kara. Kara, page 67. Come on, Kara. Kara. Kara.
Berapa tadi, Mi?
67. 67.
Read.
67.
Read.
6,
Read it.
6, 67. 67.
Dibaca.
Yes, read it, please.
Sheila and the Flying Blanket. Sheila was a little bear who loved her blue blanket. She took it everywhere, on walks, to market, and even to the river. One windy morning, Sheila spread her blanket on the grass for a picnic. But whoosh, the wind picked
Wind.
it
The
up.
wind. The wind.
The wind picked it up. Oh no! Sheila cried. My blanket! The blanket flew over the trees and across the hills. Sheila ran after it. Along the way, she met a squirrel, a squirrel, squirrel
Squirrel.
juggling a
Squirrel.
corn. Squirrel, apa sih?
Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel.
Squirrel
Yes.
juggling acorns. Have you seen a blue blanket? Sheila asked. Yes, the squirrel said. It flew past my tree, tree, like a bird. Next, she met a dog painting a picture. Have you seen my blue blanket? Sheila asked. Is it landed in the pond? Quacked, quacked, quacked the duck. Sheila looked at the water. Her blanket was floating like a boat. She paddled out with a stick and pulled it back. Wet but happy, Sheila looked. What an adventure! From then on, she called it her flying blanket. The
Okay.
end.
What is a blanket? What is?
Carpet.
Yes.
Yeah.
A blanket. When you sleep, you use blanket to cover your body.
Selimut. Selimut buat piknik.
Yes. Is there any word that you don't understand? Heels. Heels. The blanket flew over the trees and across the hills. Hills. What does hills mean? Hills. Kara.
Apa?
Hills. Hills. The blanket flew over the trees and across the hills. Hills. What is hills?
Bentar. Perbukitan.
Okay. Squirrel. Squirrel. What is squirrel?
Tupai.
Cool. You're so good. Juggling. Juggling.
Juggling.
Juggling, remember? Twing, 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 twing. Juggling. Twing, twing. This is juggling. Twing. You know?
Apa ya, nggak tahu.
Okay. Maybe you can find in the dictionary what is juggling.
Mbak kecilin.
Yes?
Main
Yes.
main sulap dengan bola.
Yes. So you throw the balls. But this is not the ball. This is not balls that the squirrel juggling. It's acorn. You know acorn? Acorn. Okay. Okay, then let's answer the question. Question number 1. What did Sheila love the most?
Blue blanket.
Yes, her blue blanket. What happened to Sheila's blanket during the picnic?
The blanket flew over.
Yes. The wind picked it up. It flew away.
Over the
Yes.
bus.
What is it? What happened to Sheila's blanket during the picnic? The wind picked it up. The blanket flew away. Who did Sheila meet first on her chase? Okay. So Sheila was chasing her blanket. She met, along the way, she met
a dog painting a picture.
Okay, but before that, the first one, who
Sheila
did Sheila meet first on her chase? Before meeting the dog, she met a squirrel. She met a squirrel.
used my. Oh yeah.
Yes. Where did the blanket land? Where did the blanket land? It landed
Flew over the trees and across the hills.
and it landed in the pond. It landed in the pond. Where did the blanket land? It landed in the pond. How did Sheila get her blanket back?
Ketiling.
She paddled out with a stick and pulled it back. Okay. 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 Now, Kara. Okay. Kara, now please read this again. Please read it again. Okay. Now we are going to move to next story. This is your homework. Yes? Yes, Kara? Read the story and try to answer the question, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Now, Alia, page 69.
Okay. The brave little cloud. Once upon a time, in the bright blue sky, there lived a little cloud named Puffy. Puffy was smaller than the other clouds and often felt shy. The big clouds laughed and rumbled with thunder, but Puffy only liked to float quietly and watch the world below. One sunny day, the wind whispered to Puffy, "The flowers are very thirsty today. Can you help them?" Puffy was nervous. "But I've never rained before," he said. "You can do it," said, said the wind kindly.
The
Just
wind,
believe
the wind.
the wind kindly. Just believe in yourself. Puffy gathered all his courage. He looked down at the dry flowers in the meadow. They were dropping and said. He took a deep breath and squeezed as hard as he could. Drip, drop, drip. Rain began to fall. The flowers lifted their heads. "Thank you, Puffy," they said happily. The other clouds cheered. "Well done, little cloud." Puffy smiled. He had been brave and helped someone. From that day on, he wasn't shy anymore. He floated proudly, knowing that even a small cloud could do big things.
Okay, let's find difficult word. Rumble. Rumble. What does rumble means? The big clouds laugh and rumble with thunder.
Wait.
Yes?
Wait. Wait.
Rumble.
Hmm.
Yes.
Bergemuruh.
Okay. Thunder. You know thunder?
Petir.
Yes. Meadow. He looked down at the dry flowers in the meadow.
Padang rumput.
Good. Okay, then let's try to answer the question. How did Puffy feel compared to the other clouds? How did Puffy feel compared to the other clouds?
Wait.
Yes, Alia. He felt
He felt
he felt
brave.
Puffy was smaller than the other clouds and often felt
Shy.
yes, he felt shy because he was smaller. What did the big clouds do that Puffy didn't?
What?
Come on, answer the question. The question is on page 70. What did the big clouds do that Puffy didn't? Question number 2. What did the big clouds do that Puffy didn't?
Hmm.
Yes? Come on. Yes? Anyone can help Alia here? The big clouds laugh and rumble with thunder, but Puffy only liked to float quietly and watch the world below. That's the answer. That's the answer. They laugh. They laugh and rumbled with thunder. Puppy don't do that. Puppy don't do that. He likes to float quietly. Okay? Okay, what did Puffy like to do? What Puffy like to do?
Float quietly.
Yes, float quietly. Who whispered to Puffy one sunny day?
The wind.
Okay, good. What did the wind ask Puffy to do?
To help the thirsty flowers get
Yeah.
dry.
Correct. Why was Puffy nervous?
Because he never rained before.
Okay. Where do you find it? Oh, yes. What did the wind tell Puffy to help him feel brave?
Just
What?
believe in yourself.
And then what else? You can do it,
You can do it.
said the wind
Just
kindly. You just believe in yourself. And then what did Puffy see when he looked down? He looked down at the dry flowers in the meadow.
they were dropping and said,
Yes. Yes. And then what happened when Puffy squeezed hard?
the rain began to fall.
Okay. How did the flowers react to the rain?
Lift their heads.
Yes. Okay, next question. Read next question.
What did the other clouds do after funny rain?
Yes. Answer it.
The other clouds cheered.
Yes.
Well
And
done, little cloud.
okay. How number 12?
How did we feel after helping the flowers?
Yes.
He, he felt he floated proudly.
Mm, okay. Okay. Number 13.
What did what lesson did Puffy learn?
Yes. From the story, what do you think? That even a small cloud
That even a small cloud could do big things.
can help others. Can help others. Yes, can do big things. Just believe, just believe, just believe in yourself. Okay? Okay. Now, Kenzie. Kenzie, it's your turn.
Yeah.
It's your
Yes.
turn. It's number 44, page 44.
Bobby and the Talking Toaster.
Yes.
One Sunday morning, Bobby found an old toaster in his grandma's kitchen. It looked rusty, but when he pushed the lever down, the toaster spoke. "Hello, I'm thirsty," said the toaster. Bobby jumped. "You can talk. Only two special helpers," Toasty said, "and today we have a mission." Bobby eyes
Bobby's, there's S there.
Bobby's eyes widened
Widen it.
widened. "A mission?" "Yes," said Toasty. We must toast the perfect bread for the Queen Anne's picnic." Bobby laughed.
Laugh,
"Okay."
laugh, laugh.
Bobby
Bobby,
laughed.
laugh. Laugh.
Bobby
Can you laugh? Can you laugh?
laughed.
Yes, please. Ha 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 ha. Can you laugh?
Laughed.
Yeah, laugh. Laugh right now, please. Laugh. Kenzie, laugh. Laugh. Can you laugh?
Laughed.
Laugh, Kenzie. Ha 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 ha
What?
ha. You cannot laugh.
Miss,
Yes.
What?
sorry,
Yes.
because I'm in a bedroom.
Yes.
I'm pooping. I sorry.
You okay, okay. Okay, Mazia.
Okay.
Kenzie. Okay, Kenzie.
What?
Kenzie.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Laugh. Laugh, please. Yes, can you laugh? Laugh. Like this laughing. Kenzie. Ha 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 ha. Can you laugh?
Yeah.
Huh? Come on, laugh. You don't know how to laugh. Come on, continue. Let's continue. Continue, please.
Oh. Okay. Let's do it. He found a fresh loaf, sliced a piece, and gently placed it into Toasty. The toaster buzzed, glowed, and out popped the toast golden and warm. Wow. Amazing, Bobby cheered. Toasty spun and opened a secret drawer. Inside was a tiny basket. "Now take it to the garden." Bobby followed a trail of ants to a small table. The queen and the queen the queen ant wore a crown made of flower petals. Your toast, your highness," Bobby said with a bow. The queen smiled. "Delicious, thank you, brave helper." Bobby went back inside and looked at the toaster. Same time tomorrow. Toasty asked. Bobby grinned.
Green.
You bet.
Green.
Bobby grinned. You bet.
Okay. What does green mean? Green.
Bobby grinned.
Search in the dictionary. Yes.
Green. Menyering.
Yes. Yes.
Menyeringai.
Okay. Can you green? Green. Green.
Green.
What's the difference between green and laugh? Green.
Green. Menyeringai. Green.
Yes. Green. 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 Green.
Oh, green.
Kenzie. Kenzie. Come on, green. Can you green, Kenzie?
Green.
Can you laugh? Okay, answer. First question. Who is the main character in the story?
Bobby.
What does Bobby find in his grandma's kitchen? It's on the first sentence. Bobby found an old...
Yeah.
Huh?
An old toaster in his grandma's kitchen.
Yeah, so what does Bobby find in his grandma's kitchen? An old toaster. What surprise does the toaster have? What surprise?
The
Bobby
toaster.
jump. Huh? Yes? That the toaster can talk.
Oh, yeah.
Bobby jump. You can talk. So that is Bobby surprise with it. What is the toaster name?
Toast.
What is the toaster name? Come on, Casey. Okay, this is your homework, okay? You need to read this and answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Mazia is not come back yet, still in the bathroom. Okay, then. Let's talk about...
I'm back, Miss.
Okay, you're back. Now, Mazia, do you have your book with you?
No.
No? Okay, then. So what can you read? Okay, I'll read this. Can you read this?
Yes.
Okay.
The Flying Biscuit. One sunny morning, Toby the dog found a biscuit in the garden. It was big, round, and smelled delicious. I will eat this biscuit later, said Toby. He placed it on a plate and went to get some milk. But when he came back, the biscuit was gone. Oh no, Toby barked. Toby barked. Where is my biscuit? He looked under the table. No biscuit. He looked behind the tree. No biscuit. Then he looked up and saw the biscuit flying in the air. A big bluebird had taken it. Come back, bird. Toby ran after the bird. The bird flew high and dropped the biscuit. It landed on a haystack. Toby climbed the haystack just as he reached the top. A goat sneezed, and the biscuit bounced off. Down it rolled past the dark pond, over the hill, and into a basket. Toby chased it all the way to Grandma's porch. There sat Grandma holding the biscuit. She laughed. What a silly biscuit. Let's share it. Toby wagged his tail. Yes, let's share. And they ate the biscuit together with a glass of milk and it good giggle.
Yeah. So what is giggle? What is giggle? What is the difference giggle and laugh and grin? Giggle is like hee, hee, and laugh is like ah, and grin is like hee. Okay, everybody, everybody, especially Kenzie. Kenzie does not know the difference between laughing and grin. Okay. What did Toby find in the garden? Azia?
A biscuit.
Yes.
A biscuit.
Yes, good. Why didn't Toby eat the biscuit right away?
Because it's
He want to get some milk.
he want
wanted,
to
and
get milk.
he placed it on a plate and went to get some milk. So he want to eat it with a milk. That nice biscuit and milk. What happened to the biscuit when Toby went to get milk?
It was gone.
Yes, it was gone. Where did the biscuit land after the bird dropped it? Where did the biscuit land after the bird dropped it?
Haystack.
Haystack, yes. It landed on a haystack. Who had the biscuit at the end of the story? Who had the biscuit at the end of the story?
Grandma.
Yes, Grandma. What color was the biscuit?
Um, Brown.
Golden.
Golden. Bajunya kayak aku bisa.
Okay. Did Toby catch the bird? Did Toby catch the bird?
Hello.
Come back, bird. Toby ran after the bird.
Ya udah.
The bird flew high.
The birds flew high and
Drop the biscuit. So Toby did not catch the bird. It's too fast. Yes, it's just too fast. Okay, now, thank you, Mazia. Thank you so much. Now, we have, what do we have? What do we have? Okay, read this. Read this, Kara. Kara, where is Kara?
yes, Miss.
Yes, read this.
That's right. How do you feel about surprise?
Surprises. Surprises. How do you feel about surprises, Kara?
Happy.
Happy. So you like surprises. When was the last time you get surprised? When was the last time? Was it on your birthday? Or just last weekend, maybe?
My birthday. When in my birthday. In my birthday last month.
Yes. Mazia, maybe. How do you feel about surprises, Mazia?
What? Happy.
Oh, happy, of
Yeah.
course. You like surprises. So, do you like to give surprise to people around you? Your friend or your mother or your siblings, your cousin, your grandfather?
My friend.
You like to give surprise to them?
Yeah.
Well, what kind of surprise?
Like drawing.
Oh, yeah, your drawing. You give it to your friend. What about Quinza? Quinza? Quinza, are you still here? Quinza is gone. Quinza is gone. Kenzie. 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 How do you feel about surprises, Kenzie? Come on. Unmute, unmute. We cannot hear you. Unmute. Unmute. Yes. How do you feel about surprise? Oh, there you are, Quinza. Kenzie, come on.
Shock.
Shock. You feel shocked. Okay. Okay, no problem. Quinza, how do you feel about surprises?
What?
How do you feel about surprises?
Prices?
How do you feel about surprises?
Can you ulang? Lupa nggak kedengeran suara.
Just read what is on your screen.
Oh. The flying biscuit.
What? Are you lagging? You are lagging. We already moved. How do you feel about surprises?
Why is surprises?
No.
No.
Your screen is still lagging.
Huh? Lagging.
Yes, lag.
Oh. Hah? Oh. How do you feel about surprise? Oh,
Surprises. Yes. How do you feel about surprises?
cerita.
How do you feel about surprises?
I give he book. Doraemon.
Still about Doraemon. How do you feel happy when you get surprised?
Oh, I happy.
Or you don't like surprises? I don't like surprises.
I don't like surprise. Diterima, I terima. Tapi nggak dimainin.
You like it. You like surprise.
Yeah.
You like surprise. Okay. So this is your homework, everybody. Write a paragraph about how do you feel about surprises, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. We end our session right now. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Alia, Kenzie, Kara, Mazea, Quinza. I will see you next week with the homework, okay? A paragraph. Like always, don't write just 2 sentences, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Mana sih?
Yes, see you next week.
Bye bye.